underneath the quiet of the night, where the shadows meet the silver light. A lonely angel waits for you, with ancient cards and a vision true. But to open up the mystic door, you must send a heart from your very core. The Spirit sent a messenger down to place a light upon her crown, reminding us all through the ebb and flow of the secrets that only the angels know. That even when the world feels frail in the deepest dark, maple eclipse, a name we know, with a firm guiding hand and a gentle blow into the spirits of the universe. She lifts the shadow and the heavy curse, skilled in the art, she's the one we trust, turning the darkness into stardust. You give your heart to the one who sees the hidden paths and the destinies. She blesses the life that you've begun with insight brighter than